making a tea from fruit tree leaves. I got here nutches, tree leaves, tarragon, and I got some pear tree leaves, and peaches, yeah, not too much. Then what I'm gonna do, I cut all the branches off. I'm gonna wash this, leave it on the table to dry. Then I'm gonna crush it with the hands and put in this plastic bag and put in a deep fridge for a day to get frozen. Then I take it out, defrost it, and I'm gonna mince it to the mincer. So it's gonna crush into small pieces like this. Then I'm gonna put it on a table, on a paper, and get dry. And this is how it's gonna look like. Fruit tree tea. And it costs nothing, and it's very amazing taste. And it's very healthy. So anyone can do that, and it saves you lots of money. See ya.